Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to properly cut a drip edge and how to bend it at the corner. Go stand on that side. Alright, let's wait. Now I'll get all my suitcases. Look, we set the level to 0. Then we took a cord where the long wall is, stretched it, screwed a self-tapping screw into each corner, stretched the cord and made marks. Where the short wall is, we leaned the profile and outlined it and made marks. Next. Now we're going to install the drip edge. So, where's my pencil? Interesting. Pause it. Did the flash go off?
I don't know.
Now we'll take the molding and insert it here like this. We insert it here and mark the corner where we'll have the bend. Right here. We mark here, then remove the molding. And from this mark we draw a line like this and add 7 centimeters here. We don't cut it exactly at 45 degrees because our molding has a slope. If we cut it exactly at 45 degrees, the molding, show it, will be straight. It'll sit like this. But we need to match the angle of the molding. Then we continue further. We mark it. Alright, we mark it. And here we add a little bit for the tongue. Next we take the scissors. And we take it like this. We use small scissors because they cut thick metal. We'll cut it off. Like this. Next. Now I take this shelf and bend it. That's it, let go. I'm bending it. Next, we take scissors with long jaws. And we cut it like this. The metal is 0.7. Just like on the slopes we have everywhere. We bend the tab is actually needed so that you can rivet the corner later. We bend it. What do we do next? We take the scissors, press a little, and the flashing bends. What do we do next? We take the flashing. We send it to the other flashing. We need to mark it now. We send it to the other one. Here you go.
You put it on crooked just now.
And we clamp it. Using the square, we take one measurement. Let's say 22 from the top of the drip edge. 22, and using this same measurement we align the drip edge according to the marks. That's it. And our drip edge is level everywhere. So, can you see here? the video turned out pretty short. So our corner here ended up like this. The siding corner piece will go here and it will all be covered up. There you go. So here we have self-tapping screws. Oh, by the way, we have a pretty stylish drip edge. So, it comes with a special hook. You won't need a starter strip for the siding. That means our siding will hook right onto this catch immediately. And it's positioned and screwed in right away. I wanted to show you these window slopes. With a ledge. These are the window slopes we installed. I hope I'll release a video for you. How to finish a window with slope sides and a ledge. That this is a complex window slope. It's different because it has something like a casing. It's integrated with the slope. One window is already done. Everything is cut here. And everything is cut here too. Like this. Alright, you've seen the window. And below, we have this kind of G profile, by the way. The siding will go in here. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends on social media, and hit the bell so you don't miss my videos. And by the way, share my video with your friend or recommend our channel to your friends. Alright, that's it. Goodbye everyone. Good luck. This was Den and my bro Leshka. Come on bro, say something.
Alright, goodbye everyone. Leave a like.
He's camera shy. Alright, goodbye everyone.